Today I'm going to be breaking down one thing to make sure that you aren't doing whenever you're performing split squats or lunges. What's up guys, it's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Square Fitness and the YouTube channel that brings you all the fitness tips, movement tutorials, all the good stuff so you can move better. So if you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button and let's get straight into it. So I'm talking about the split squat, right? First thing I want you to pay attention to is not being really on a tightrope. Get into a little bit of a wider stance. And then if this is an exercise that you can actually do on your toe, meaning if you were doing it properly, you would be flexing and stretching this back toe as opposed to when you're standing up, standing here. I see this happen all the time when people perform a split squat. They come up, they don't stay in this athletic position, they come back here. Keep the tension on this front leg. Here's relaxed, here's active. So stay tall, squeeze this back glute, but most importantly, do not fall into this position here. So if you're having issue and you're worried about going down, I would rather you always focus on range of motion and then use something to help you get up. That's how you're gonna get stronger. Work those negatives. So it might look something like this. Get a pole, get next to a box, whatever you need. Get into your stance with this foot up, slow down all the way, and then give yourself a little boost up. Slow down all the way, give yourself a boost up. Last thing for you. If you notice this position here, this is going down, it is never coming in. The knee never dives in because if the knee is in, the hip is out, and that can potentially lead to back pain. Keep the knee in line with the toes in a nice strong 90-degree vertical angle, or if you're a guru, you can go knees way over toes. But if you're wondering if that's okay, comment down below if it's okay to have your knees go below your toes. We'll see you in the next one. And if you want help with any of the programs or anything else like that, check out our new app at ksquarefitness.com. We'll see you in the next one.